Where is it? Navigating the English language with interrogative adverbs. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our ongoing series about English grammar fundamentals. Today, we're zooming in on an incredibly useful part of English grammar, interrogative adverbs. Our special guest is the adverb, where, which we use to ask about location. Let's dive right in. Interrogative adverbs are special words we use to ask questions in English. There are several main interrogative adverbs, such as how, when, why, and the star of today's video, where. These adverbs help us form questions about manner, time, reason, and location respectively. Now let's focus on our main topic, the adverb, where. We use where to ask questions about location or place. For example, where is the library? Or, where do you live? It is one of the most frequently used words in English, and learning to use it correctly can greatly enhance your communication skills. Questions with where generally follow this structure. Where plus auxiliary verb plus subject plus main verb. For instance, where are you going? Or, where did she put the keys? But remember, some sentences can be shorter. Like, where's the bathroom? Here, is acts as both the auxiliary verb and the main verb. It's common to mix up where with other interrogative adverbs, especially when. Remember, where is used for places, and when is used for time. So, it would be incorrect to say, where is your birthday? The correct question is, when is your birthday? Now it's time to put what you've learned into practice. Try forming your own questions with where. Ask about the location of various things, places, or even where someone is going. Practice makes perfect, so don't be afraid to make mistakes. That wraps up our detailed look at using where for asking about location. Now you should have a clear understanding of how to use this important interrogative adverb in your everyday English conversations. Keep practicing, and remember, we're here to support your English learning journey every step of the way. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.